The topic of today's video is how to fix Discord high ping. Now guys, before we jump into the video, we've got tons of awesome resources for you to check out in the description of this video. Now let's get into it. Now I will warn you, you don't have too much control over this, especially if you don't have a decent router or decent internet. What you can do though is you can come over to the user settings at the bottom left here. Then you want to come all the way down to voice and video. In voice and video, you want to scroll down till you see an option that says enable quality of service high packet priority. You want to switch that on if it's off. If it is on, then switch it off. This can be finicky. It can help. It can not help. Now there is one more thing that we want to activate here, and that is in the advanced section. You want to, if you have a dedicated GPU, use hardware acceleration. Again, I would only recommend this if you have a dedicated GPU. Then you want to switch this on. And those two settings will hopefully help fix your ping. Obviously, make sure to not be downloading anything in the background and so forth. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check the links in the description of this video for tons of awesome resources. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.